I'm Elizabeth's eldest son, but my brother, Ben, is there. Emeka is wearing the nice red shirt. My sister, Chinya, is there. And my wife, Patricia, is there. And my two children, Usita and Chinedu, are in the back. My mom is quite well known. It's very strange to be better known in another person's country than in your own country. So my mom isn't very well known in New Zealand, but if I say the name Isichei anywhere I am in Nigeria, everybody asks me, are you related to Elizabeth? And many people don't realize she's white. So it's a complication. And I Ndi Igbo New Zealand. How come Ndi Igbo New Zealand? Okay, I'm going to ask about Stan. If I don't get lunch, and I'll be an get on your charm. He got shut up on you. Magin on your child, people gave to live. Then I'm going to eat. I never want Asaba. Never want Asaba. Slaves Lugo Peter, Peter, and I'm going to eat. Unafugia. Ukanyao na eba imande banyi na atu na asi na agadi wanyi kalanka gine tie obono sikanso ban na atu agadi wanyi kalanka elosie na aju hapo we no anya opia obananye obro believe konometata masilo na so obro believe konometata anye kene ono niile nugo dawo so she used to drive, so there are younger people who are here. There are younger people here. My mom used to drive from Enugu to Nsukka on her own. There are very few people as well that leave during a civil war to go back home. They went home. My mom and dad went home in 1971, 72. Once the Civil War finished. So to give you some context, that's like you planning now to leave New Zealand and go back to Afghanistan or to go back to it doesn't make sense. So I think that it really means a lot to her. It means a lot to all of us today that you guys have supported us like this. Family, we just want to thank you. That was all. I appreciate it.